Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is Indus River System. Indus River System. The Indus River System is one of the major Himalayan river systems of the Indian subcontinent. Its vast drainage basin extends across parts of India, Pakistan, China and Afghanistan. The Indus originates in Tibet, near the Kailash mountain region, in the vicinity of Lake Manasarovar. In Tibet, the Indus is also known as Singhi Khamban, meaning lion's mouth. After its origin, the Indus flows westward and northwestward before entering the Ladakh region of India. In Ladakh, it flows through a high-altitude, cold and arid mountainous landscape and forms deep valleys and gorges. The Zanskar is an important tributary of the Indus in Ladakh and joins it at Nimu, near Leh. The Shyok and Nubra are important rivers of the Indus system associated with the Karakoram region. The Nubra joins the Shyok, which later joins the Indus. The Suru is another important Himalayan tributary of the Indus system, draining parts of western Ladakh. After leaving India, the Indus enters Pakistan and flows generally southward before emptying into the Arabian Sea. The total length of the Indus is approximately 2,880 kilometers, although estimates vary among different sources. The Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj are the five major tributaries of the Indus system associated with the Punjab region. The Jhelum originates from a spring at Verinag in the Kashmir Valley. It flows through the Kashmir Valley and passes through Wular Lake. Srinagar is situated on the banks of the Jhelum. The Jhelum subsequently enters Pakistan and ultimately joins the Chenab. The Chenab is one of the largest tributaries of the Indus in terms of water discharge. It is formed by the confluence of the Chandra and Bhaga rivers near Tundi in Himachal Pradesh. Both the Chandra and Bhaga originate from glacial regions of the Himalayas in the Lahore region. The combined river is initially known as the Chandrabhaga and is called the Chenab farther downstream. The Chenab flows through deep mountainous valleys and possesses considerable hydroelectric power potential. The Ravi originates in the Himalayan region of Himachal Pradesh. It flows through the Chamba region and later enters Pakistan after flowing through areas associated with the India-Pakistan border. The Beas originates from Beas Kund near the Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh. The Beas is the only major river among the five Punjab rivers whose entire course lies within India. It flows through Himachal Pradesh into Punjab and joins the Satluj near Harik. The Satluj is one of the longest major tributaries of the Indus river system. It originates in Tibet near the Manasarovar region, close to Rakshastal. In Tibet, the Satluj is known as Langchen Khambab. The Satluj enters India near Shipki Leh and flows through Himachal Pradesh before reaching the Punjab plains. The Bahakar Nangal project on the Satluj is one of India's major multipurpose river valley projects. After the Beas joins the Satluj, their combined waters flow towards Pakistan. The Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj are collectively known as the five rivers of Punjab. The word Punjab literally refers to the land of five waters. In Pakistan, the Jhelum joins the Chenab, the Ravi also joins the Chenab system, and the combined Satluj-Beas waters eventually become part of the same river network. The combined flow of these Punjab rivers is known as the Panjnad, which ultimately joins the Indus near Mithankot. The Indus and its major Himalayan tributaries are primarily perennial rivers because they receive water from glaciers, snowmelt and seasonal rainfall. In their upper mountainous courses, these rivers are characterized by steep gradients, deep valleys, gorges and considerable hydroelectric potential. On entering the plains, their gradients decrease and their waters are extensively utilized for irrigation and agriculture. The Indus river system has played an important role in the formation and agricultural development of the Punjab plains and adjoining regions. The Indus Basin supports one of the world's largest networks of irrigated agriculture. The Indus Waters Treaty was concluded between India and Pakistan in 1960 for the allocation and utilization of the waters of the Indus river system. Under the treaty, the Ravi, Beas and Satluj are generally classified as the eastern rivers, while the Indus, Jhelum and Chenab are classified as the western rivers. India received extensive rights over the waters of the eastern rivers, while the waters of the western rivers were largely allocated for Pakistan's use, subject to specified rights available to India for domestic use, certain agricultural uses, hydroelectric generation and other permitted purposes under the treaty. The importance of the Indus River system extends beyond drainage. It forms an important geographical foundation for water resources, irrigation, agriculture, hydroelectric power generation and India-Pakistan water relations in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.